Hello everyone, this is Dave. Today I'm going to be showing you a Dollar Tree haul and a bonus small haul from the Dollarama. So stick around, I'm going to start opening up those bags. We all know and we all love that Dollar Tree. There was a new one that opened up about a half an hour from me, so I had to go check it out. And I came out with all of these goodies. 5 full bags of Dollar Tree items that I cannot wait to show you what it's all about. So we've all seen these wonderful place settings at the Dollar Tree. They have like a gray spiral on it, brown around the edges. I picked up the dinner plate and the salad plate to make a craft out of it. And I have these little bubble stickers, I guess you would call it. So bag number 2, I found these wonderful little wooden pencil case holders. So I picked up that, love it. And this grass, I was so in love with this grass. I've never seen it at the Dollar Tree I normally go to. So I picked up some of those and a couple more of those pencil case holders. These ones were square, made out of wood. And I also found wooden letters. I thought these were a perfect size for crafting. I picked up an A and an E, and we'll see later on what I make out of it. Those craft cubes, and I wanted to try this Fix-All cement. Now, I've never tried it before, but it goes on wood, glass, ceramic, so I want to give that a try. And I do love the paint from the Dollar Tree. So these are just acrylic paints. I bought 2 in white, 1 in the cream color, just to add to my collection. Bag number 3, more foliage. I have an idea for all of this stuff. Don't worry, there's a method to my madness. And of course, more of that grass that I could not get enough of. I think I stuffed 5 of them in my bag. And I loved the Easter section. They had great plastic eggs for crafting. I picked up 2 bags of the larger one, and then 1 small bag of the smaller eggs as well. And there's my 5th piece of grass. This is an amber colored, there's a little bit of a texture to it and glitter vase. I really like this, so I had to throw that in my basket. And of course, I do have ideas here. Of course, you're probably getting ideas as well. And another one that's thinner, taller, and smoother. It's this amber color as well. Bag number 4, here we go. So the floral greenery there, I love this stuff. This one was actually cut up into cubes. And I know you're probably kind of questioning me going, what are you using this rubber mallet for? Well, I picked up not 1, but 2 of these guys. And you're going to have to check back in about a week or 2 to figure out what I'm going to do with those guys. And more of those round cylinder wooden pencil holders, because guess what? I have an idea. And the matching bowl. I'm not going to be using this as a dinner set at all. I'm going to be making something out of it. Can you guess what it is? Leave me a comment down below if you do. Here's a little frog that I thought was so cute. I had to put him in my basket. I have an idea as well. Bag number 5. We've all seen this windmill. Farmhouse decor right now is hugely popular and has been for a while. So I wanted to grab one of those and make something farmhouse kind of style with it for sure. And I love moss. I have been working with moss the last couple of videos. I had to pick up more just because my stash was getting lower. And Dave's wreath and things wouldn't be complete without wreath rings. And these styrofoam green round wreath rings, say that 10 times fast, are awesome. I had to pick up 3 of those. Basically, that is everything that I discovered at my new Dollar Tree. And don't forget, you have to subscribe to my channel to figure out what's coming up. I'm just kidding. No threats, no threats. So remember, hit that notification bell so you can see what's coming up. And now my small haul from the Dollarama. I don't know if everybody knows about the Dollarama. It's up here in Canada. Everything's priced from $1 to about $5 maximum. and I found these wooden dowels. They're a little bit thicker and longer than the ones I've seen at the Dollar Tree. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna grab these because I can totally do something with them. And I also found this greenery. Now, on the tag it says decorative bush. It was $2 for this. I think that's curly parsley. Leave me a comment down below if you know the names of all of these. I'm just kind of guessing here. I don't know what this is, but it looks kind of herbish, right? Again, it says decorative bush on the tag. It's $2 each. And I think this is another parsley. If I'm mistaken, my apologies. I'm not 100% sure. And a little butterfly box. I thought it was kind of cute. The top comes right off. And I think I'm going to use the bottom as a stand to something. So I picked that right up. And of course, the shower rings, 12 for $2. Can't go wrong there. So that's my little small haul from the Dollarama. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the time that you take to watch my videos. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video and you can see what I create using all of these items. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye for now.